In this video, we're going to be looking at the division of polynomials. Sometimes it's helpful to pull out a common factor from the top term if you're dividing a polynomial by a monomial in this case. If you notice, all of the top terms can be divided by 8y, since that's the greatest common factor of all three terms. And then when I divide each of these terms by 8y, it leaves me with y squared minus 2y plus 3 in this case. And on the bottom, I still have an 8y. But if you notice here, since the 8y is being multiplied by everything on the top, I can cancel from the top and the bottom, leaving me with a simplified form of 8y, of y squared minus 2y plus 3. Now again, we have to assume that the denominator never equals 0, so thus y cannot be 0 in this case. In the second example, notice not all of them are divisible by the term on the bottom. So I'm still going to pull out my GCF from the top. All of the terms up top, the only thing they have in common is a y squared, which is going to leave me with a 20y cubed. We'll subtract our exponents, plus leaves us with 14y squared plus 21y plus 42. Then on the bottom, we have 4y squared. Notice the y squareds can cancel, and then I can separate each term, leaving me with 20y cubed over 4 plus 14y squared over 4 plus 21y over 4 plus 42 over 4. The fractions that can be simplified, I go one step further and end up with 5y cubed plus 7y squared over 2, because they're both divisible by 2. In this case, 21 and 4 do not have a common factor, so I'm left with 21y over 4 remaining, and then 42 over 4, both are divisible by 2, and I'm left with 21 over 2.